If you are someone who wants more eyeballs on your business, on your content, you may have noticed there is this really cool opportunity right now to go viral with short form video content. And you may notice that sometimes it feels uncomfortable, and sometimes you post short form videos and they are total duds. Well, I am thrilled to tell you that we have the amazing Nika Stewart here with us today, and she is going to share with us her viral video formula that allowed her to bring in over 100 million views on her short form videos, Banana Pants. And we're going to give it to you in lickety split, just a really quick short video here. So this is the viral video formula. Nika, what is the first step? Take it away.
Number one is have fun, stop being uptight, don't be perfect, be real and raw.
I love it. That's a good one. And it's scary. So if you need help, let us know below. The next one is number two.
Number two is they have to be short. And yes, under 60 seconds is a short video, but try to make it under 16 seconds.
And you said that's really the sweet spot, right?
16 seconds right now seems to be the sweet spot that get the best results.
I'm going to use that one. Thank you so much. And number three.
Your topic should be relatable, something that people can relate to. And if it's a little embarrassing or something you feel shame around, even better.
Especially like spelling things wrong. That could be maybe one of your things that you use. Okay. And then the next one, number four.
Number four, ironically, number four is the magic of three. Three things. Share three things, three situations, three stories, three tips.
It's a really awesome, easy way to make things an odd number that you're able to like give just enough and nail that in there. I love it. It makes it so easy. So easy. That's our favorite thing. Okay. The last one. This is a big one. Ready?
Number five is look at what is working and do more of that.
So you have to actually look at your analytics. And I love that you've already done this for us. You've gone in and really figured out what is happening. And you have this all together in a full course, right?
Yeah. So the course, it's the Viral Video Intensive. In there is everything you need in order to create these short form videos that are the ones that are going viral and getting people tons of new followers and new people seeing them. Everything from the tech, which is so much simpler than you think.
It's actually way simpler when Nika explains it to you, is the real truth, because she gave me this one tip on how to do interview things on TikTok and like a fake interview with yourself. Such an awesome tip that I never would have known if you hadn't told me.
I like to take things that seem complicated and make them so manageable and doable. And that's the whole point. So this is like TikTok for adults. It's not how to do the dances and the twerking and the jerk and whatever they call. See how I'm really aging myself by saying that. It's probably not, people don't even know what that is anymore. The jerk. But for adults who want to feel really proud of the videos that they are putting out. So the whole system is broken down into 6 modules, tiny little videos, tutorials, so that you can watch a 3-minute video and take a break, or you can binge watch a whole module, whatever works for you, but it's broken up so that it's easy. And I try to be fun. I think fun, just like Molly, it's always been one of my true values, that we have to live anyway. Why not have fun while we're doing it? And
the more fun you have, the more money you make. So,
exactly. And that's an added bonus to all of this. So let's make more money while we have more fun. And it also includes an entire library of on-demand tutorials and videos and hacks and any questions that have come up, which, by the way, we also meet live on Zoom once a week for open Q&A. So you never have any questions where you get stuck, because they always get answered. And sometimes questions come up that there is no video for. So I think, oh, everyone seems to know this, so I create a new video. So the library is continuing to get updated with new guidelines and new tutorials and hacks and all of that stuff.
It's so awesome. I love it. And if you are watching this, wherever you're watching it, remember that we'll have a link somewhere around here. It's just molly.live/viral video. and you have to actually show up. So remember that once you start putting these things into action, they don't work if they're only in your head. You have to actually show up. So make sure that you start showing up, looking at what's working. And we are so lucky to have Nika Stewart here helping us to make it happen. Make sure that you like, subscribe, do all those things, and we'll see you in another video.